Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a bit. One command in the terminal. Wait again. Lines need to appear so I know it's ready. And I have to play everything again for test runs. Okay, it's ready. It runs in the browser. Closed for me. I'm the guy in the middle. But first, let's start fresh. I would start with sniper. I'm the guy in the middle. At the sides are enemies. If I come close to them, they attack me. Above my head is my HP. It reaches 0, I die. And if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died, displayed in the top left. I get stronger the more enemies I kill. Enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. And now I play until I die as a sniper. Easy start because I can attack them from a distance and not attack back. It's a start, but it will change. Zoom out one. Oh, there's a boss. With a skill point, I take more rifles. Take. I didn't see. Okay. Survived. Down here was someone. This boss. I take damage and range. Additional charge. It was damage and minus range. Okay. A lot of enemies. Take. Think. I think I take another rifle. Slow. I take fire line. The speed. Okay. So far. Looking good. Wait here for the boss. I take Fireline Synergy, I can take it. Intuition. Okay, am I strong enough? Guess it will be close. Let's pull him to the side. Oh, single shot kills me. Okay, I died. Combat log, how much was it? 200. I actually have 200 HP. Okay. My fault. Stay too close. Damage range was 66, makes sense. Okay, but I have to take this one. It test long sniper. Decay. This is a decay. Melodies. I want to see. DT1, I have fast position and does this work? No, I will movement. I'm looking for move actions. Action and factor, yes, this is what I wanted to see. Okay, so new test one. Others. I just need to increase version. $285 day. What do I work on today? Control for mobile. I am working with touch controls. I already to mobile view. Now I can use touch. That if I press down here, there should be a joystick image or something, which tells me I can move here. T should not click and shoot on it. No, I do both currently. Execute some distance. He will not stop shooting now. Meta. Okay. What will joystick button left? I want maybe start simpler. Joystick. Paint. So, no, paint. And dot for mail. Something like as a simple joystick for now. Let's start with this. I had the play input, touch move action. I need something else. I need to know how the player plays. Which controls? Can I check the touch or keyboard? HTML check if touch or keyboard. Something. Keyboard business sounds good. Yeah, this sounds terrible. It's not possible, simply. Okay, what I needed, so I decide on touch, so there are desktop PCs which also have touch or monitors. And there are virtual keyboards. How do I decide? JavaScript check if smartphone. Based on, okay, this could be my first guess, basically. Function check false function if cannot read this. It's interesting. Tectmobile.com. .com also sounds interesting. Download scripts. I'm not sure. So this is gigantic regex to decide. Simple way would be. What did I click? Here it's on user agent. And I think I'm more interested in touch. So question is, I want to know which input type I prefer and display my UI based on it. Because if I'm touch, I cannot press T or pause, restart. Probably have to simplify it. Let's clean a bit up. Closing stuff. I want game model. I think it will be a new UI topic. And I want UI. No, I don't need input device, input type. Let's say it will be a string, but I probably export type, input type. It's either say keyboard, touch, and in the future I want to add controller, but let's make it small. And do I have undefined, maybe unknown? I do a question mark, so I have undefined. basically don't know it yet. UI input type. I should maybe second. Okay, let's keep it for this for now. I have UI input type. This is undefined at the start, and it should set the moment I press I have an action behind it, I would guess. And I'm not input down. Is input down already? So I always switch. Let's say game UI input type will be, let me keyword. Because now I do. Okay, and I need for touch. Does mouse matter? I don't think. Touch, touch, touch. When do I switch to touch? When somebody touches, I would say. So let's just say touch. Now I need to paint based on it. Will be a lot of changes. Let's keep it simple for now. I want probably a different part, spin map, objects, characters, player character, dimension number. This could already because paint key info. So I can do I paint here. Move key hints. This is keyboard dependent. Input type is, should I start with keyboard? And the moment I touch, okay, so if it's not undefined, so keyboard is base, but then I should set it to keyboard, I guess. So I should not, and let's change it. I can define what the default is. Keyboard. So if it's not keyboard, I can return. And I want to then have a value. Start at keyboard. This should work. Start new. He will display keyword. The moment I touch, it disappears. The moment I hit a key, it shows them again. These are the first. Then I have, next will be if I just go out. Now I have not touch but mouse. If I run with this control, okay, perfect. Here are a lot of keys displayed. Problem for later. I need now circle. So this is paint key info, paint control info, paint control info UI. It's first function paint touch move control control in touch move control. I think this is fine for the start. Game, and I want to paint 2 circles for now. The bottom left. I have values. I don't think I have values for it. Touch move action. Have it set here. I want this to be set in the data. Okay, let's go back to game model, UI. This would be touch control data or something like this. Probably should start cleaning up in here. So it's somewhere. Do I have UI? I have UI. Type, export type, touch. UI info or something like this. I need the touch corner size, position. This is a number. It's a position. Yeah. This number. Touch move corner size. Effect. Top left and size. Didn't I save it already? Yeah, game mouse relative canvas position. No. I'm missing something. Touch start, this is what I wanted. And the touch start, client key binding. I can have. Would I expect it more? Take it away from. It's UI related, it's also. I use it for something else. No, only there. Then I take it away here. At least I guess I can take it away. I go to touch UI info and put it here. Now I put in touch UI info, touch info. Oh, he should want part of it. Touch info. The size, I think I at 150 pixel. Top left. It's dependent on screen size, which I do not have. Do I have it? Do I have a canvas yet? I don't think so. I get the CTX. It can also be undefined. And let's keep it undefined for now. So this I calculate later. Start like this. Somewhere I broke something. Yep. Isn't here some marking? I don't see anything yet. Okay, next player input. These do no longer exist. It's now game UI. Touch info. Let me. Touch info, touch start. I remove this and this. And 3 the 4th. Okay, everything is fixed. But I incorrect. This is game. I touch info size. This is if I do not have one yet, if game touch info top left, it's undefined. I set it. And it would be this one. And then it would be one. The type. I need the client, so I need this one. Okay. Now it's based on this thing. But now let's paint it. I need a color. Will not be filled, will it? I could white it maybe as filled. Stroke style could be black. So I want. Arc. XY radius. I touch is game UI touch. Let's call it touch info. Corner size. Left angle is 0. Right, that's 2. And the last one does not not interesting. I have touch let paint X is touch info. It's now top left or Y would be undefined. I define it. The moment I touch, but this is fair. Maybe I should decide it here. No. We'll find out later. So if I get it and if this does not exist, then I have to return. Cannot paint. I think I get the middle. So I need to move it by half. And now I need to check if touch info, touch start. Because if I have this, I move it, then it will be based on touch start. And now I think I need to do begin. And CTX stroke. Let's stroke for now. I need to paint it somewhere. This happens here. I'm not happy. Paint input info. Paint input info. Let's make a one function. Input type info. I have these two as always. What did I copy? What it says? If UI input type is, no, I change keyword as if could be a switch, but doesn't matter. It's touch, and if it's as and here I call now I can this check here and change it here. No. Oh. This check out, no. This doesn't add up at all. This is confusing as hell. I think I have here the size, not the radius, so it might be divided by 4. Let's try. Think should be straight up, this should be straight down, so it doesn't match perfectly. Is closer, and this is so not. It should be the middle if I. Yes, it is not the middle. So what is happening? The touch start I do not need to move. The touch start should be the middle. Oops. Let's try. I left, up, down. And CTX stroke. Line widths. To press, I have this, okay. First of all, it feels too... Something is off. This is a radius, I have to halve it. Not under correct position. Paint X. Top left. Move it down because it's a circle. All things I do not want. So this is correct. But this circle is, why is it goes to the... It needs to be more to the right. Is it halved again then? No, this is too much. Resume. Oh no, it's correct. The size times 2 is the radius, so yes, okay, I was... Don't want it to go. I want it to react a bit to where I start. It's fine, so but I don't want to too deep. So I touch start, but I need to check. Shouldn't be too much left and too much down. If touch start, no, active position, it's cons, but a smaller is a good. By 4. By half it. And I would mean it's, let's make 3, wait, let's try 4, see what happens. I put it to its value. Same for, was something similar for y. Y is different, y has to be. I have height. minus touch corner size 4. This is the case. I set it to this value. And now I limit where it can be. Press, now I have it down. Now can go over it. I should more or less visualize it a bit better. I know the touch start. I want game paint. I have a stroke circle. Should I fill it? Let's think I paint on arc. I paint fill, but I have a black center. I should give it an alpha. To 1. Fill it. I should paint a line. Paint the line with this together, I guess. Let's move to arc. I could try line 2 directly. But where? Input I direction. I have the relative. I guess to here. Or at least this direction. Let's try this. Touch position, let's call it X, Y. Let's find out. I don't see a line 2. But I see the middle and it's white. Style is white. Don't use this fill style, so here. So I click, now I have this. Okay, not then go up here. Here should distance maybe too much in the screen. I don't see the line too. Let's make a move 2 just to be sure that I'm somewhere. And a line is stroke. Let's make a begin pass for it. This should work definitely. I can this line and go over circle. And it should, if I don't move, it shouldn't be visible. Interesting. Only if I have a touch start. If touch info, touch start, oops. Would I, this is undefined, I return. Don't know. A return in the middle is better than one. Let's try this, but this has to be outside. So, okay, that's correct. And I need distance. Calculate. No, not direction. Distance for expand y. Let's change it up. Paint position. Oh, I should. No, let's. Then X is this. Y is this. Changes. No. X. This might change. Paint position to touch position. No, no, no. If distance is bigger, distance, then touch info halved. Then can change it here. Touch pose. Okay, let's touch paint pose. Touch pose, maybe touch. Let's call it. Line position might fit. Now I need to copy take this. No, I change it. How do I change it? I know it's too far. And I have a move. Directional distance. Touch line. Position. Direction is. I need the direction. Direction is calculate direction from to here. I have a direction. Need a distance. Distance is this one. And collision false. Nothing should be not relevant. And then I have touchline position. Okay. Oh, I have moved the wrong position. No, I have this. No, it's maybe it's understandable. I press and I move. Maybe this is my first. Let's keep it. Touch, move by realization indicator. Touch move UI, good enough. Now I can only move. I have to choose my. I can neither press tab. See how it starts. I could also start, because the screen is so small, guessing that it's touch control. And I need go to game task. Choosing class is the next one. Or choosing upgrade. I don't have the information, I guess. Let's see. I paint. Upgrade. Upgrades. My character stats, maybe? And upgrade options UI. Here I calculate. A lot. And I have detailed views and the non-detailed views. And this does not fit at all. So I touch upgrades for choosing class. I need to make great paint data part of game data. Game to array. Then I can determine position and touched. Should I click or click and hold? Touch and hold, choosing a class. Beginning probably just touch, but this might be bad for upgrades later. Okay. Choosing class and upgrades, let's call it this way. First I said I need to data in UI. I need to know the data I need to put in. Physical active. Says somewhere differently? I'm confused. Again. The character upgrades are somewhere else. I probably would need to player chosen start class turn. It's not painted in here. It's correct. I'm interested if I comment this. I cannot see it. Oh, it's an end. I want to not auto skill. Okay, now I remember. Auto skill, auto upgrade, I should call it. Better yet, I should auto skill. Correct the wording. To skill. it's taken from here. Is it defined? Yeah. Let's upgrade. To upgrade. 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 I think to upgrade it's out to the definition. I think let's try. Do I need to save? Let's reload. How to upgrade? Don't see if it's on or off. No. I have to move them to the left. Game paint. Starts. Oh, let's start top. Let's see key info. Minus 170 probably. Okay, now I can see it. It's on, and if I think he's killed, yeah, he did. Okay. Now rename auto skill to upgrade. I need the data. We have touch info. Is it touch info? No. It's upgrade paint data or something like this. Export type upgrade paint data. I need this is just an array. Might be upgrade paint. Let's start as an array. What does one have? It should have a top left position. It should have a height and a width. Number. This is good enough? Maybe. It can be empty. Should I? Let's accept undefined. Now, if I game paint, let's call upgrade pane upgrade options. The its height and everything is different when I have the long information. Where do I paint? Paint text lines with keys. I paint. Go. Character upgrade choices. Does this end? Okay. I directly paint. And I calculate. So this will be a bit of work. Function. Determine paint data, pin set, paint data. I have CTX, character and game. Where I don't care. Just font size. Hardware, space, sounds, everything I could put here. Let me copy it and filter then, probably. So I have an upgrade choice. I need const upgrade. No, it's just game. Does he complain about game? Duplicate. Ah, I see what I did. Game. Great, this is an array. Paint data should start empty. Data. Wait, paint data. Let's type. Top left. Okay, this I to determine set get calculate. Let me change this. I want return upgrade paint data array. I do not visit it here. Calculate, let's call it this way. I now need one paint data, great paint data. start this and turn this at the end. Now I need grid choices. This is an if. If I have grid choices, but this should be a beginning check. If it's smaller equals 0, I just return an empty array. I should return undefined better. I would undefined. So this check is not required anymore. I have now, I iterate over the choices. Set a font. I measure. I measure, I get the max width based on the text. Display key hints. This shouldn't happen. Okay, int position is confused. More info is painted multiple times. Maybe. Int position. Find in here. So I guess this is not part of my see, okay. Next. In position, what do I paint here? Character. This is which tells me I upgrade ability UI. So this is also not part of here. This was all part of a for loop? No. Two for loops, okay. Does this mean I have all information to tell where the middle is? No, I just take the middle. Okay. I have choices. Take a choice, I take the text. A calculator height. I fill rect. Fill rect is fill rect part of? I think yes. Part of the key. Q and X. I move the X. Let's begin deleting stuff I don't need. Fill style, paint key. Dictate, text width estimate, direct, probably what I need. Font is out. I have font size I don't need. I have text. Text Y, go down. My dictate is already calculated, so I guess this is gone. So now I can paint datas push. I have to have a top left. Top left is Q and X. And Y is this one. Then I have a height, which is rectate. I have a width, which is text width estimate. And this is what I want. This is all should be the same index as the upgrades, so I shouldn't need more information. And now I push a bit here. I move the X for the next one. And at the end I return. Okay, now let's see, I should be able to remove. Does it end here? No, I have the if. Does something happen after the if? No, so it's one rotation I don't need. If I don't have choices, I can just return entity. I mean, things shouldn't be, but doesn't matter. Okay. I should have an error. Now I this stuff. Character and game. And I say, do I calculate it each time new? It's at least easy. And data upgrade, paint data. So I go over the choices to get these, but I need more tabs. How do I know where to paint it? Only the Y is interesting. Start why I didn't move. Okay, I see. At least an offset problem. So the wire I use here is not moved based on first lines, so I would need to start Y number in here, remove it here. And I would need to find out these two lines. I can paint them here. Seems to work. Can I remove? Click hier hin. Display hier hin. This is in a for loop. This is choice dependent. If there's a choice, then I do it. Okay, I remember. Like this, and I get. So if I display key and or each choice, and if there's a choice, then I check it to true. Should want this my value, but I will need to do it later. I can move these forward. Probably take them away. I probably don't need these anymore. I have total width estimate. I don't know for what. I can delete them. This should be deleted. Okay, I can. Seems delete a few max widths. I need. So now I have moved, so I can do this. Now I have the paint upgrade data. Const. Data. This might be confusing. Please say that could be undefined. If zack undefined, I return. No, he doesn't complain. Let's call it a partition paint data. No. Paint data. Now I have paint data top left X metadata, top left. What did I do? Y. Text width estimate is width and data. Needs this anymore. We need. Okay, this might be interesting because there could have been a space. No, the rect is total. Okay. And minus 26. This might be the image width. Then it would not be part of this. Might be different that I move the text, the first one. X. I'm the 0, I move it to the y by 40, okay. Have a text X and a text Y and text Y. Go. Start Y. It's not correct. Top left, yes. Change it, or can I const it? I change it, I'm blind. Maybe it works. Okay, strange stuff happened. My color changed. No. The text is too high, so I did when I paint the text. Is this the text, I guess? To add the font size, I guess. 6v6 in game paint. Isn't a lot of space, so where am I? The key seems correct. Text with outline. So why? GI font size. J bigger 0. I don't move it at all. So if I press tab, it's all high. The rest seems fine. And and I paint all text here. So I could add directly the font size. The first font size. Let's try this. Now I did the color change. Tell me again. Fill style white, fill rect. Okay. Removed. This is rect. I still have white. I had white. Amazed. Something doesn't add up. It should only be this rectangle, or do I paint? That I still paint here. Okay, this is one problem. Wait. And I took the alphas away. Okay, this might be the reason. This will be the reason. Yes. And I feel like I move it one bit more down. So -3. They probably are not required. Okay. Now the rectangle. This one. Might need to make it 3 bigger. Should I just +3 it? Yes, let's try. Say 8 +3. And it looks like before. So I have to change. I don't have so I calculate these positions are dependent on if I paint the key or not. This is not relevant here. You are not recording here. Something else. The key. So make this a let if display with if game UI input type is keyboard. I will set this to 40. Else it's 0. And where do I paint it? In key. Does now depend on if I'm on keyboard. Let's see if this works. No, not so simple. Probably have more more info is not part of it. What do I do? Do they get their complete own function or not? We can decide some other time. If I change this, the text offset should be different. Because offset is keyboard dependent. No, let it. If I'm on keyboard, it will be this. If not, it will be just this. Okay, now I have the positions, but it's unclear to choose. This doesn't work currently. Currently do not have a way for tabbing more info, so this could be also no. Awesome keyboard. It's a gun. Okay. Is this up? I didn't know. Okay. So this could be something to press. But let's now check if I press one of the upwards. And I go to input. I need check for touch start. Let's just call it touch. Wait. Have event and game. I would guess here. Make a new function. I only need the client key bindings. Okay, I will need client ID. I'm not for move interested, so I this target. It's interesting then it doesn't take my canvas element. But okay. This works for now. position where I clicked. And now I need to check if I need my upgrade post data, let's call it. It's game by paint data. Let's call it paint data. If I could check it shouldn't be undefined. Okay, do it differently. If it's undefined, I can return. Don't need to do it. One of my early returns. And if it's for length, length 0, I can also return. I first check if the paint data 0 could take the Y. They have different heights, maybe? So let's tell if I relative position Y is smaller. Smaller, then I definitely did not pick anything. I don't know if it, and else I check. And data of upgrade paint data. If data left x is smaller equals relative position. And I need the I am bigger, I am smaller. If I take the bits and the same for the y's. Y if I'm bigger and if I'm and if all this fit, I know I touched this up good. I know I need the index. Change. Not what I wanted to press. An I. Now I know I have some command I need to send. It's an upgrade action. I need to find out what I sent for upgrade actions. So Oh, this is execution. Need the position where I send it, so this naming is incorrect. So it's probably wait as text. Let's go touch upgrade. Start. Input. Action. Upgrade. Okay, this is 1. Go here. I have action. Action is. Oh, this is dirty, but it's upgrade plus but I need to +1 and is input down true. How does it work? I have touch start and touch end. So it's touch start, it's in here, and then I need to break or even return. I'm done. So now I have touch. I need a true here, and I need touch end. I need to know. This is confusing. Touch end could end somewhere else. In the moment I care for it ending. Guess I cannot hold it down. So I want to prevent keys to be sent all the time. Can probably upgrade once only. Try. I press. Now I touch upgrade. Go in here, touch up. Let's try this. Upgrade is not. Don't hit anything. Let's verify. Why? 8 bits. XY. Check if this is because this is the wrong direction, so I can never get in here. Wait, no, it's correct. Let's see. Let's do this for a moment. So I debug. Oops, but I don't see the one, so No, this is not where I pressed. I want play input. I believe I pressed, so doesn't matter. I want here. So far so good. He returns. Paint data. Paint data is undefined. But I have. Ah, okay, yes, I remember. I never said it. Game paint. Input. No. Game paint. Yep. Game by. Wait, paint data is this? No, I never reset it. I believe. I could. And so now with every paint I set it, should have data. And now I have. I took it. Perfect. It. I think it worked. So let's get skill point. I can choose. Okay, I remember. I can move and I can shoot, but I have to think about how multi-touch works. I cannot test here. Cannot restart because choose class. Can press in between, doesn't. Choose all. Oh, this is. This doesn't work. Okay, another problems. To ball. So it let's shortly. So I can move. Can. This doesn't. There's infinite amount of problem. I have some. So I can choose sniper. I can run around. I can shoot. And he shoots also to my second. This doesn't work. With this I need... do I have my console logs? And player input. Okay. Now touch upgrade. So this is I'm working on touch. It's not mobile. Control map. I need to do multi-touch. Think I have and I need start. I need restart. What else? More info. Because I cannot. What makes this clickable, basically? So I go here. Maybe I should. Transparency. Full alpha. What infos I have. Okay. The text is not in the alpha. Sure. Okay, this is confusing. Works in general, but not done for. Oh, can hold. Interesting. I also need multi-ability. That might be multi-touch. I need all abilities. And the only one. And I maybe get information for work in progress, or touch controls. Let's this information. If no, these are upgrade options not in here. Key information might be, let's start top. Touch move. Let's go here. Paint text keys, outline, TX, outline color is, I think I was white black. Text, touch controls, work in progress. I paint it X canvas width divided by 2. Why does he? Did I make widths? Next I have Y 40 centered true. Line width, let's say 2. Background color white. I can TX font. Yeah. This is correct. Touch controls work in progress. Do I place it? Put it here. Touch controls work in progress. Bit more down. Fine for now. Okay. Touch control app info. I think I'm done with this. Changed a lot of stuff, but I don't have. Should test. I have no shorts updated. Do them. Let's try. Put them all away. Long sniper. Just replace. Perfect. This work. Let's get all the shots done and king is probably I couldn't do it. Let's do the shots for today. So it's okay to start. Let's just take sniper. Copy last replay. Data. Board. Data. Tower builder. Towers. Second skill point. Builder. Let's do tamer. Tame. Then next one is ball. And last one is data again. Mission. Station. So I have new ones. Just draft. Then we play on the sniper. Okay. So far. New shot replace. Just replace. I think everything works, so I push. Then all stuff. Still a lot of work for touch. Guess I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.